Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove your profile picture in Gmail on your PC. If you want to change or remove your current profile picture, follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top right corner of the Gmail interface, locate and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. On the drop-down menu, click on the Edit option next to your profile picture. This will take you to the Profile Picture Editing page. Step 4. On the bottom of the editing page, you will find the Remove button. Click on it to remove your current profile picture. By following these easy steps, you can easily remove your profile picture in Gmail on your PC. Whether you want to change it, use a different image, or simply have no picture at all, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.